Which do you prefer to date? A white man or a black man?
It depends on their personality naman po kasi.
Would you date a foreigner?
I think they look clean and fresh for me.
Hi! Welcome to the FUENTES Family Channel. My name is Lori. In today's video, we are going to interview Filipinas from Naga City, Bicol, Philippines, and ask them, would they prefer to date a white man or a black man? Let's find out. Enjoy the interviews. What is your name?
Janet po.
Janet, nice to meet you. How are you today, Janet?
I'm fine. You're
It's very cute. Okay, so Janet, how old are you?
I'm 18 years old.
You're 18. And are you still studying?
Yes.
Are you single or you're in a relationship?
Single.
How long have you been single?
Over 8 months.
8 months. Okay. Okay, here is the question, Janet. Which do you prefer to date? A white man or a black man?
A white man.
Why a white man?
Because they are, more attractive
They're-
than black.
Oh, they're more attractive than black. But for you, right? For you, right? Okay.
Only my, sariling, what do you call that? It's my opinion. It's my
opinion. I see. Okay, come here. I'm not gonna bite you. Okay, so that's your opinion. Well, anyway, would you date a foreigner?
Maybe.
Maybe in the future, right? What is your name?
Kisha po.
Kisha? Nice to meet you, Kisha. You're very tall, Kisha. Okay, what's your height?
5'4" po. Ganyan.
5'4"?
5'5".
Oh, 5'5". Wow. Do you do like pageants?
No.
No, you're so beautiful and you're tall. Okay. How old are you?
18.
18. You're still studying, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Anyway, Kisha, here is the question. Which do you prefer to date? A white man or a black man?
Both po.
Both. Why both?
It depends on their personality naman po kasi color doesn't matter po.
Color doesn't matter. Okay, that's a very beautiful answer, Kisha. Well, thank you so much. Would you date a foreigner? Like in the future?
Maybe
Maybe.
if they're kind, sure, why not?
What is your name?
Leslie.
Leslie?
Leslie Mendoza.
Wow, beautiful name. Nice to meet you. How are you today?
Well, I'm okay.
You're okay.
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
21. You're still studying, right?
Yes.
What course are you taking?
Actually, I finished my degree already, and now I'm taking review from review center.
Review center.
Yes.
Are you gonna be a teacher?
Yes.
I see. That's why. What major?
English.
Wow, that's impressive. Okay, and anyway, here's the question. Which do you prefer to date? A white man or a black man?
Can I answer that in Tagalog?
I think you can do it. You're English major. Just gonna be a teacher.
Okay.
So just basically,
White man.
white man. Why white man?
For me, white man is clean.
Clean. Okay.
Clean looking. That's all.
That's all. And would you date a foreigner?
It will be okay.
It will be okay. What is your name?
Marge po.
Marge?
Yes.
That's a very cute name. Nice to meet you. How are you today, Marge?
I'm good. It's my birthday today.
Happy birthday! How old are you now?
24.
24. Wow, you look very beautiful. So that's why. So she's having she got flower in there. Wow, happy birthday. Okay. Anyway, you're working or you're still studying?
Working. I'm working.
What's your job?
Finance staff.
Great. Okay. Anyway, here's the question. Which do you prefer to date? A white man or a black man?
A white man.
Why?
Because I think they look clean and fresh for me.
They look clean and fresh for you. I see. Would you date a foreigner? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. What is your name?
Maricar.
Maricar, nice to meet you. How are you today?
I'm good.
You're good. How old are you?
I'm 21.
21. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
I'm single.
You're single. How long have you been single?
Hmm.
6 years.
6 years.
Yeah.
Wow, six
That's a long
years.
time ago.
Okay. Are you working or you're still studying?
I am working already.
What's your job?
I am selling products online, and also I am delivering any products in some areas in here in Naga.
Oh, what kind of products? Like beauty products?
Yeah, beauty products.
That's why you're beautiful. That explains why. You're welcome. Okay, anyway, Maricar, here is the question. Would you prefer to date a white man or a black man?
Okay, so I would prefer to choose a white man.
Why?
Maybe because that was my ideal in terms when it comes to physical appearance.
Physical
Yeah, but if we will talk about the attitude, I will still choose the man who can protect, care, and love me genuine.
So it doesn't matter, right? If he is black or white, as long as when it comes to like attitude, but physical, your ideal is white man. I see. Okay. Would you date a foreigner? Like for example, if and let's say someone like message you or someone is interested, would you date a foreigner right now? Let's say.
Maybe if I can see to him that he is genuine.
Genuine.
Yeah.
I see. Are you looking for like a serious relationship, like settle for serious relationship right now?
For now, not yet because I still have some things to do with my parents.
With your
Yeah.
parent.
Yeah, I still have some, what do you call this?
Responsibility.
Yeah, responsibility.
I see.
Yeah, because I am the eldest.
You're the eldest, but
Yeah.
you're not closing your door, right? Like
Yeah.
for anyone who's interested to you. Okay, I see. Well, anyway, Maricar, thank you so much. Salamat.
Okay, thank you
You're
po.
welcome. Okay lang, ma'am.